everyone, welcome to my channel. So I wanted to record this quick little video for you guys because we're going to the beach tomorrow. We're going to Pensacola, and if you know, I have two kids. I have a 3-year-old and a 4-month-old. So I wanted to show you guys the things that I packed for them. Yeah, let me go ahead and start showing you guys. Okay, so I kind of divided their suitcase. Their suitcase. So I kind of divided their things. I put all of their clothes and pajamas and diapers and anything in the suitcase, and then anything that's beach related, I put it in that Paw Patrol book bag. Okay, so for Liam, I'm bringing 2 pairs of shoes, these gray ones and these black and white ones, because they match with anything and you don't have to be bringing out 100 shoes because these 2 matches with everything. You want to make sure you bring shoes that can match with a lot of different colors, because that way you can narrow it down to about 2 or 1 pair of shoes. Then I'm also bringing them their lotion. This is for the baby, the Aveeno Baby Daily Moisturizing Lotion, and I'm also bringing him the body wash. For Liam, I'm bringing him this lotion. We're only spending 2 nights over there, so I'm bringing Liam 4 boxers and 5 diapers to sleep in. He is potty trained, but at night we put diapers on him because he still pees throughout the night. So I'm bringing 4 of those because you can never be too sure. Then I'm bringing Liam 2 pairs of socks, these dark blue ones and these gray ones. And for the baby, I'm just bringing him 2 pairs of socks. We're gonna be at the beach, so it's gonna be pretty hot. I don't think I'm gonna be using them, but just in case, I brought 2 white ones. I also packed their towels. They do have towels at the hotel, but I prefer, for kids, I prefer to bring their own towels. And we also bringing them this big beach towel. I'm only gonna bring 1 because most likely the baby will not be getting into the beach or any pool. So this basically is just gonna be for Liam. But yeah, so I'm only gonna bring 1. So for the baby, I'm bringing him 2 onesies and 2 shorts. I'm only gonna bring 2 shorts besides the one that he's gonna be wearing to go over there. So in total, it's going to be 3. But I'm only gonna be bringing just 3 just because it's gonna be really hot. So I may not even be wearing, putting shorts on him. I'm just gonna keep him in a onesie. So besides those 2 white onesies, I'm also gonna be bringing these other 3 onesies because you can never be too sure with babies. So I'm going to be bringing 3 extras onesies, and I'm also bringing the baby 2 pajamas. Like I said, we're only spending 2 nights over there, and in case he gets one dirty, I have another one. For Liam, I'm also bringing 2 pajamas just in case he gets one dirty as well. I have another one for backup. For Liam, I packed 3 outfits, and whenever I'm packing the outfits, I like to set them like together. That way I know this goes with this goes with this, and this one goes with that one. And also I like to get colors where you can they could go well with another shirt if you want to switch it around. So these pants could go good with this one if I want to change it up when I'm over there, or it can also go good with this one. So that's like a little tip there for you guys. That's 3 outfits for Liam, plus the one that he'll be wearing to go over there. So in total, I got 4 for him. I also packed the baby his own little small blanket, and also a thick one just in case it gets cold in the hotel, and a small one just in case for anything, just to have it there. So I packed for the baby 3 bibs because they get pretty dirty, and 1 birth cloth. I only packed 1 because I really don't use burping cloths. I mainly use the bibs, so I got 3 of these, plus 1 that I have in the diaper bag. So yeah, so in the first aid kit for the kids, I am bringing baby oil, nose booger sucker thingy, a thermometer. I've got 2 actually, 1 there and the other one is right here. I'm gonna brush, combs, what else is here? This cream for Jonah because his skin is very dry, so I have that cream for him. Diaper cream for if the kids get any rash, and That's about it. Some alcohol wipes, and I'm also bringing this cream in case they get bit by any mosquitoes or anything or they're itching. I have this with me. Then I'm also bringing this Nuffy nose kit. My baby Jonah, his nose is very stuffy right now, like he has lots of boogers, so I've been really using this once in the morning and once at night so he can sleep well. So I'm bringing this in case his nose gets worse. I'm also bringing Tylenol for Jonah in case he gets any fever or pain or anything like that. I also have Liam's toothpaste and his little toothbrush. I'm bringing 20 diapers for the baby plus the ones that I have in his diaper bag. Like I said earlier, we're only going for 2 nights, which is in total it will be 3 days. So I think that will be good enough. I think it actually will be more than enough, but you can never be too safe with kids, so the more the better. I'm also bringing a pack of baby wipes that bring 100, so I think that should be good enough for both Liam and the baby. I'm bringing these pool diapers for the baby, so in case I get him wet, which I highly doubt it because it's only 4 months, but just in case. I also packed 2 sunscreen bottles for the kids. They are both 100 SPF, and yeah. I got this cute little sun hat for the baby. This actually used to be Liam's hat, and now Jonah will be wearing it. For Liam, I got these cute sandals from Old Navy for the beach. Bringing Liam these floaties to put on his arm so he can not drown on me. And besides these 2 floaties, I'm also bringing him this life vest. The reason I'm bringing 2 is because safety's first. Swimming pants, like I said, I don't think I'll be putting him in the pool nor the beach just because he's so little, but I'm still bringing him these cute little beach pants. And for Liam, since he is getting into the beach and into the pool, I brought him I got him this little outfit, which is with the muscle shirt and the swimming pants, and then another one, a blue one with another blue muscle shirt, so I can have one for each day that will be out there. So that is all that I packed for the kids. Of course, the formula and the water for the formula and the milk for the kids in a bottle and all that kind of stuff is gonna be packed as well, of course, but somewhere else. I'm also bringing a jumper for Jonah in case he falls asleep. I could sit him down there, or if he, you know, I could sit him down with some, so I can have somewhere to sit him down. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was a little helpful, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.